Rude Miners in the mix.
Alright YouTube, we're back with another video, and in this one we're going to be doing a low ball taper. For some reason this haircut reminds me of Klay Thompson, the Klay Thompson haircut. I don't know why, it just does. And to begin with it, we're going to be doing a number 5 guard open with a grain, just to knock down some of the long hairs on top. Around the crown area you want to be a little bit careful, and I'm just using the higher guard just to be careful. Now to get rid of some of the bulk, I'm using the number 2 guard, and I just want a clean canvas to start the fade. Alright, now I'm gonna begin to bald out the bottom portion of the taper. I'm not going up too high because it's a low taper, so I'm just going up to where like the ear separates from the head. Now with my Andis shavers, I'm just making it razor bald. I'm making sure not to go all the way up because then I'm going to create another bald guideline. As you saw there, I just flipped over the shaver just to flick out the line so I don't create another guideline. Our first actual guideline is going to be with the no guard open. We're just going up like a half an inch. Don't go up too high. Keep in mind it's a low taper. Now to get rid of that guideline we just created, I'm just closing the lever little by little, and I'm going down a third every time. Now with our next guideline, we're going up another half an inch with the 1 guard close. Alright, now I switched over to the 0 guard and I closed it completely. I'm just flicking out that line, just trying to get rid of it. Make sure you don't go up too high, and make sure to use the corner. Alright, on top of the 1 guard close, I'm using the 1.5 guard open, and I'm just going up another half an inch. Now I close the lever. I'm just trying to get rid of that line. I'm just flicking it out. As you can see, I'm not really getting rid of it. So I went over to the 1 guard and I just closed it a little bit, not too much. And I'm using the corners just to flick out the rest of the line. Now with the 2 guard, I'm just flicking out the rest of the bulk he has on top. Alright, so now the other side, it's the exact same thing, so I'm just going to fast forward it for you guys. If you guys are wondering where I get these sick beats, it's from my dude Room Miner. I'll leave his link in the description. Alright, so onto the back taper. It's pretty similar to the side tapers. I'm starting off with a 2 guard and I'm getting rid of some of the bulk. Now I'm going with the no guard close and I'm just going up not too high because my client, for some reason, he wants to keep the back taper a little lower than usual, so we're not going up too high. Now with the no guard open, I'm just going up another 1/2 inch, keeping the guideline consistent throughout the haircut. Right here, I'm just flicking out that guideline we just created. I'm just closing the lever little by little. With our next guideline, we're using the 1 guard close and we're going up another 1/2 inch. With the 0 guard close, you just flick out that line in between the 1 guard close and the no guard open. Create another guideline with the 1.5 guard open, just go up another 1/2 inch. Now to knock out that middle guideline, I'm using the 1 guard and I'm just playing around with the lever. Now when it comes to the lining up the taper, don't go in too much because then when it grows back kind of ugly. So just try to keep it natural and don't push it up too much. I'm just combing down the front hairs down, so when I come back with the number 2 guard, everything's in place. The only reason I'm doing this is to make the lining up process way easier. Right there, I'm just showing you that I'm not pushing him back and his natural hairline is a little bit higher. I still saw some bulk, so I came back with the 2 guard and I tried to get rid of some of that bulk, because that makes it look like a mushroom head, and I don't really want that look. We're trying to go for like a blowout fade. Right here we're enhancing the haircut just to make it look sharper. Alright, let's recap how my client came in. Yeah, he was looking a little rough. Okay, now he looking nice. Alright, if you enjoyed the video or the haircut, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more content like this, please subscribe and turn on that bell notification. If you guys wonder where I get any of my equipment, I'll leave it in the description. Peace.